Moose is a whole series of apps, and they're all free. I think Khan Academy bought out this series or something, so they're all free now. And I'm going to just show you the wheels on the bus. And we're going to be talking more about the Bluebee Pals, and we have the developer of Bluebee Pals here with us today, which is really exciting. Laura is here. And so I'm just showing you really quick glimpses, but this is one of the Bluebee Pals. I'm going to be showing you the Bluebee app later.
Let's take a look at Wheels on the Bus. You can download these Duck Duck Moose apps for free. There's a whole series of them, and this is often a favorite.
So you can be doing actions. You can be practicing on your AAC device, making things happen, go fast, go slow. You can go open and shut. And using that Bluebee Pal could have, the kids just really love it.